No, but he was licking the crumbs.
Is there anything else you could tell us about the incident?
No, except none of us got any dessert. I was pretty bummed.
He said ideas for a theme, you idiot. We're having a concert. And did you ever think that maybe, just maybe, we need money to rent the skating rink?
I don't want to waste this money on some silly party.
I'll dance every dance with you. I won't leave your side.
No, Jill, forget it. I'd rather feed my family a month than play for a day.
Would you do it for a kiss?
I don't understand why we need any more people in the house. It's too crowded. And besides, it's already bad enough that I have to share a room with you.
Super who? He ain't super nothing.
Yeah, he's a punk. He was scared.
Terrified, but he still got away.
Well, if I had to choose, I'll pick Skylar, hands down. Even though she's been choosing to hang out with Roxy more than me, but that's whatever.
People are loving my rhythm right now. These days, if you want to make it, you gotta strike when it's hot. And I'm ready. Unless you're stringing me along and don't even know the manager.
You were always wear these orange butterflies and aqua sequins. I could be watching TV. I could be watching Disney. Whistle to the store for Fat Back and Black Eyed Peas.